So this will be a very quick video to demonstrate how to quickly deal with macros that the staff will have ready for us if we're doing, for example, either an allergy shot, a TB shot. So I had Shannon put in all of the macros, or most of them, that the staff would use for us into one note. As you can see that this one, for example, is an injection. What was this for? Allergy shot. So it'll tell me vial. All I put down is vial number. Let's say vial 3, and then if I need to put down, let's say 0.5 of a cc was given, and then left or right arm. So if it's, for example, left arm, I want to get rid of the right. So I double click right, and then I click the delete key, and it's done, and then I can save the note. And usually you'll have only one of these. Another one would be, I just seen, for example, somebody not using these properly in another patient's chart as I was working today. It wasn't, the TB test wasn't saved correctly, it was just left as is. So if we leave it as is, so when a patient is already put into the room or in the quick care station, the staff should have one of these macros already pulled up. So let's say that this is a TB injection, and if I'm doing a step 1, I just go hover over 2, double click, and then delete key. So I'm doing step 1, and this already tells me that I'm injecting 0.1 subdural. And then let's say I'm doing on the right forearm this week, so I double click on the left to highlight left and delete. So now just the right forearm is visible, and that's it. And then I save it. So it just takes literally a few seconds. Let's say this patient comes in 48 hours, and yes, this is a reading for step 1. So I highlighted 2, and then I deleted that. And again, I'm looking at the right forearm, so I'm highlighting the left, and I delete. And now, is this a positive or a negative? Well, it was a negative test, so I highlight positive, delete key, and then 0 in duration in millimeters, and then I click save. So a very quick way to have an accurate record of what I've done with the macros. So again, we have macros for B12 injections. Let's say the B12 was in the right arm, so I double click left, delete, and that's it, it's done. So staff should have these pre-prepared for you when you see the patient. So again, it should be allergy shots. This is for B12, TB injection versus TB reading. And we'll work on others if a need arises.